and 5 basic Japanese lesson 7 vocabulary. Kirimasu, kirimasu, to cut. Pan o kirimasu, to cut bread. Pan o kirimasu. Okurimasu, okurimasu, to send. Meiru o okurimasu, to send an email. Agemasu, agemasu, to give. Yamada-san ni hana o agemashita. I gave Mr. Yamada some flowers. Moraimasu, moraimasu, to receive. Karina-san ni CD o moraimashita. I received a CD from Mrs. Karina. Kashimasu, kashimasu, to lend. Ii-san ni hon o kashimashita. I lent Miss Lee a book. Karimasu, karimasu, to borrow. Irie-san ni enpitsu o karimashita. I borrowed a pencil from Mr. Irie. Oshiemasu, oshiemasu, to teach. Yamada-san ni eigo o oshiemasu. I teach Mr. Yamada English. Naraimasu, naraimasu, to learn. Wan-san ni Nihongo o naraimasu. I learned Japanese from Mr. Wang. Denwa o kakemasu. Make a telephone call. Te, hand, arm. Hashi, hashi, chopsticks. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Knife, knife, knife. Fork, fork, fork. Hasami, hasami, scissors. Pasokon, pasokon, personal computer. Keitai, keitai, mobile phone. Meiru, meiru, email. Nengajo, nengajo, New Year's greeting card. Panchi, panchi, punch. Hochikisu, hochikisu, stapler. Serotape, serotape, sellotape. Keshigomu, keshigomu, rubber. Kami, kami, paper. Hana, hana, flower. Shatsu, shatsu, shirt. Purezento, purezento, present, gift. Nimotsu, nimotsu, luggage. Okane, okane, money. Kippu, kippu, ticket. Kurisumasu, kurisumasu, Christmas. Mo, mo, already. Mada, mada, not yet. Korekara, korekara, from now on, soon. Dash suteki desu ne. What a nice. For example, kaban suteki desu ne. Kaban suteki desu ne. What a nice bag. Irashai, irashai, how nice of you to come. Welcome. When someone enters your home, you use irashai. Dozo o agari kudasai. Please come in. Dozo o agari kudasai. Shitsurei shimasu. Shitsurei shimasu. May I? Dash wa ikaga desu ka? Dash wa ikaga desu ka? Won't you have? It is used when offering something. For example, Kohi wa ikaga desu ka? Kohi wa ikaga desu ka? Would you like some coffee? And in answer, you use itadakimasu. Itadakimasu, thank you, or I accept. Or it is said before starting to eat or drink. Gochisousama deshita. Gochisousama deshita. That was delicious. It is said after eating or drinking. 皆さん見てくれてありがとう。Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please subscribe my channel, and also if you want to know me more then follow me on Instagram. The link is in my description. Okay, またね。